There they are, pressing on the brick. Pressing on, the press on. Press on brick. There it is. Okay, so here's a package of plastic, and it's sort of in the shape of bricks, alright? And this is what's happening here. The bricks are getting put up on the building. Can you see that? To make it look like bricks. These are the bricks that they cut off. You see? They trimmed the bricks, and now the building looks like it has brick on it. But it's not brick. It's press-on brick. It's press-on brick. Okay, so here we are back at the brick building, and I thought they were sticking on.
The original. It's the far corner with the clock. It's the
one with the clock.
Building. So
yeah. That's what the building looked like before. And now what's happening is, see, the little patterns, the little plastic that they put on was not to stay on, which I originally thought. What it is, it's basically masking tape in the pattern of brick. They put on masking tape, and then they're going to peel the masking tape off when this dries. They're putting on a real thin veneer of a brick-like substance, and that's how it turns into a brick facade. And I thought that was the final situation, but that's not it at all. That's just step one. And then they'll peel the tape off, and then it will be really much closer to brick. See? Okay, so now the building's all the way done. Look at that. Check it out. It looks like real brick. I'm going to go in for a close-up. You're not going to believe it. It really does look like brick. That looks like brick. Yeah, it does.
We coach people measure.